walk alone in the dark. Memories leave their mark. Yesterday's laughter is gone, like the night before the dawn. City lights pass me by, empty streets, silent sky. Everything feels so wide since you're no longer by my side. The wind whispers your name, nothing ever feels the same. Sometimes I talk to the air like you're still standing there. Hours fall slowly away, like time turning to gray. Every moment reminds me of what we used to be. I smile just to pretend, broken hearts never mend. People see me okay, but my thoughts always stay. Rain taps on my window, where did all our dreams go? I close my eyes again, just to see you then. The rain whispers your name, nothing ever feels the same. Sometimes I talk to the air like you're still standing there. Hours fall slowly away, like time turning to gray. Every moment reminds me of what we used to be. If one day you come back, I'll follow every track until that distant light. I walk alone tonight, in the silent night so deep. All the promises I keep, even if you're far from view, my heart still waits for you. The wind whispers your name, nothing ever feels the same. Sometimes I talk to the air like you're still standing there. Hours fall slowly away, like time turning to gray. Every moment reminds me of what we used to be. Every moment reminds me of what we used to be.